Ladies and gentlemen, recently I have come across this strange website that is related to the resource Safepro.vip. Safepro.vip is a deceptive resource. You should not trust its deceptive and misleading pop-ups. These pop-ups by Safepro.vip claim that they are somehow related to the well-known security program. But the reality is that they are not related to such programs. Instead, there are some hackers who stand behind these pop-ups. They try to promote some other potentially unwanted software. So it is a mistake to interact with these junk and deceptive pop-ups. They tell that your PC is infected with 5 viruses, but basically the same message comes up on other computers that are having such pop-ups. So it cannot be true that several computers are infected with exactly the same number of viruses. Obviously, all these pop-ups are fake and deceptive. I recommend that you thoroughly investigate your computer, your Windows computer or Mac computer, with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get its latest version on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start investigating your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.